Geo insights regarding the flooding in Wakefield, Trelawny. The community is situated in a valley floor, and there exists hills that are immediately along the flanks of the community. And these hills are the sites for surface water to run off and drain into the community. When it's a case that I will zoom out, I can identify many different sites of rivers that actually flow from the hillsides, and some of them drain in adjacent areas to the Wakefield community. Looking at how the hills are oriented, can see that there is a degree of earthquake control as well. And this basically extends even as far up to the northwest or west northwest community of Adelphi, which is another area that would have experienced flooding, as well as the east, southeast in the community of Sherwood Content. Now, basically, what it is that the residents have to understand is that this series of flooding that we're experiencing now is, even though it's a case that we should expect that as we go into the dry season, it will subside, we have to now anticipate that this is going to be a common reality. And the reason for this as well is because of the fact that we should anticipate that there will be the deposition of clay, and with clay on the surface, if it's a case that the clay, say for example, is not necessarily drained, from an engineer point of view, this clay will harden in dry season and become somewhat like a concrete. And in essence, it's going to make it even harder for it to soak away. So in essence, what it is then now that we will have to anticipate or consider is for engineers to apply their solutions within quick time, relatively speaking. Similarly, the residents themselves will have to apply the specific engineering applications for their properties to adapt to their reality of flooding.